Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by turning on Ps5 Remote Play so the console accepts a remote stream. Sign into the Remote Play app on your computer using the same PlayStation Network account. Connect your DualSense via USB or Bluetooth. Once connected, make sure Remote Play shows your Ps5 screen and audio. Next, open Discord and join the voice channel you plan to use. You need the Remote Play window ready because you'll share that app in Discord. This is the only supported path for screen share from Ps5. Once Remote Play runs, route its audio into Discord. Install a virtual audio cable or enable stereo mix and set Remote Play output to that device. In Discord, click Share Screen, choose the Remote Play application window, and toggle audio capture so viewers hear the Ps5. Make sure your PC's microphone input is set appropriately if you're commentating. Then fine-tune Remote Play settings, lower resolution or frame rate if bandwidth is limited. These steps now start the Discord share and verify your viewers can see the Remote Play window with synced audio. If viewers report lag, reduce Remote Play resolution, lower frame rate, or limit Discord stream quality. If audio is missing, reopen audio device settings and reassign the virtual cable as Discord's input or output as needed. Make sure Ps5 power settings prevent sleep and keep your PC on wired Ethernet if possible. If problems persist, restart Remote Play, Discord, and the virtual driver. That usually resolves lingering capture issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.